Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. Today's topic of discussion is twindemic is back in Europe. So now let's start the video. Raising concerns of a twindemic influenza has returned to Europe amid a surge in COVID cases. A situation like this could put excessive pressure on the already exhausted healthcare system. Twindemic refers to the co-occurrence of both the flu and COVID in winter. In this situation, people faces both the spikes in COVID cases and flu simultaneously. Last year, it was believed that COVID had temporarily eradicated the flu, a virus that globally kills about 6 lakh people a year. However, this notion was changed late last year when flu virus started circulating in Europe at a higher than expected rate. According to the data released by the European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control, that is ECDC, in December, the number of flu cases in the intensive care unit surged as there were at least 43 cases in the last week of the year. ECDC's top expert on influenza, Pasi, said if we start to lift all the measures, the big concern they have for influenza is that because they have had such a long time of almost no circulation in the European population, maybe they will shift away from normal seasonal patterns. As per the data published by the French Health Ministry, 3 regions in France, including Paris, are facing a flu epidemic. This comes at a time when France is already struggling to battle the Omicron variant of coronavirus. Recently, the World Health Organization said in the next 2 months, over half of the population in Europe are on a track to contract the Omicron variant of coronavirus. Also, many European countries are also suffering from immediate staff shortages in essential services as Omicron drives a surge in positive tests. So that's all for the update. Thanks for watching.